Hello guys, welcome back. In this video we are going to create this. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Select the layer and right click, convert to smart object, go to filter, sharpen, go to adjustment, choose threshold adjustment layer, select this layer, go to filter tab, stylize, diffuse, choose anisotropic, duplicate this layer by Ctrl or Command J, go to filter tab and go to other. Change the blend mode, overlay or sublight. Select this layer, create a layer mask, choose foreground color black, contour plus or minus for zoom in and zoom out, control your brush size with bracket, control or command minus. We are done. If you think this video is helpful, then don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. I see you in the next video.